Hello.
I'm so hungry.
I'm a little hungry too, so I've been eating those chocolates.
H Mart food court?
Yes.
Hey.
I didn't bring lunch today.
You did?
I didn't.
Oh, okay, you did.
Grad Girls.
You people and your secrets.
Hi.
We're
Evolution's
Evolution's
Grad
Grad Girls.
Girls.
We're girls.
And graduate students.
And we study evolution. I'm Kristin.
I'm Audrey.
And we're doing our damn best. So we're just two girls out in this world who study human evolution, just trying to do something with our fucking free time.
Yeah.
So we go on Reddit all the time.
You do.
Unfortunately, more times than I need to. And I often speak with Audrey about really interesting things I find online, and we kind of swap some cool stuff. So our biggest swap, I think, was when we were on the way to H Mart, and I read you this like really interesting comment on like r/evolution about like basically can we, create intelligence in animals?
Yeah.
I think that was kind of what we were talking about.
That was along that vein.
Along that vein of that, but definitely not that presented. And we had always like goofed about, what would we like? This is such good content. Like no one's seeing this pure content, and like how can we like do anything with this that's like worth any time and energy? So we always goofed about like we would read these out loud and like talk about them. Well, goof no longer.
Yeah. Because now we're actually going to be answering them.
Whether you like it or not.
Yeah.
So we're going to be scouring the globe, the internet, the interwebs for questions about human evolution on r/evolution, r/ask science, r/ask anthropology, biology, all types of those things for your human evolution related questions. And we will be answering them from the best of our ability.
Yeah.
From two scientists to whoever else on the other side. I have an undergraduate degree in anthropology.
And I have an undergraduate degree in biology and archaeology.
I study origins archaeology. What were we doing with tools back in the day when we weren't really us, actually? And how can we use living extant, primates as a model for that? They do cool things. Spoiler alert. What makes us human? Is tools making us human? Seems not really, because, I've seen some orangutans with some cool stuff. And Audrey studies something very different than me.
Right. So I'm interested in genetics, kind of like how we lived with our cousins on the evolutionary tree.
Like that.
Yeah, we have like Neanderthals, like Homo erectus, all of these other species of like pre-modern humans. So it's really interesting to see like what do we have in our genes that have come from them? Why are they there? Are they advantageous to us, disadvantageous?
Or bad.
Yeah. And like, what is their distribution across the globe? What are the differences between populations?
She sounds eloquent. I don't.
So between the two of us, we have a pretty good background. In our program, there's a pretty great background.
Yeah, we're super great, super cool, super diverse, super ready to do some shit about science. And, we've done a lot of like education outreach type of things, science education. And this just seems like the most natural way for me to like engage with the public is to do it on my terms, in my comfortable conference room with my pal, Audrey, and my online presence. So find us on Reddit under u/Evolution's Grad Girls. We hope to see you digitally, physically, intensely, emotionally, online. And we hope to just teach you a little thing about science.
Just provide you a little bit of information.
Something. Yeah. A little Hershey's kiss of science. And if you hate it, sorry. If you hate science, that's even worse. But we'll try to make you like it a little bit. And even if you don't, I didn't really lose anything.
Yeah.
We're trying to be out here for you guys. So continue to ask your questions, and we'll be following with more videos with answers, conversations, anecdotes, articles, evidence, truths,
Anything we can provide.
emotional support,
Yeah. Emotional support. Perfect.
intimacy.
Always eat that.
Who's to say
Maybe
what
not
we
too
could?
much of that.
We're different. Maybe we won't even know what could come of it, but
Yeah.
we will be annotating under below,
Mm-hmm.
like everybody else does
Right
online,
in the
down
description
there
box.
in the description box of our references also, and we'll only include open source things, so you don't have to pay for money, pay for things. Follow us on our
We just
journey,
hope to, spark your interest, teach you a little bit.
and selfishly spark our own interest in friendship.
Yeah.
Find us online, Evolution's Grad Girls.
See ya.
We wish you the best.